Your home's entry door is more than just a passageway. It's the first impression visitors receive, a key element of your home's energy efficiency, and an essential part of your family's safety. For many Sumter homeowners, upgrading an old or outdated entry door is one of the most impactful improvements they can make. Whether you live in a historic neighborhood or a newer development, new entry doors offer advantages that go far beyond curb appeal. Here are some of the top benefits homeowners in Sumter enjoy when investing in a brand new entry door. Better energy efficiency for Sumter's climate. Sumter weather can be unpredictable: hot, humid summers, chilly winter mornings, and plenty of rainy days. A new entry door helps seal your home from outdoor temperatures and prevent drafts, making it easier for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Modern entry doors often include insulated cores, enhanced weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass inserts that help reduce heat transfer. This means your home stays cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and more energy efficient year-round. Lower energy usage often leads to reduced utility bills, making a new entry door a smart long-term investment for Sumter homeowners. Stronger security and peace of mind. Your entry door plays a central role in protecting your home and family. Older doors may have weakened frames, loose hardware, or outdated locking mechanisms, all of which can create vulnerabilities. New entry doors are designed with reinforced materials like steel, fiberglass, and advanced multi-point locking systems that offer superior strength. Improved door construction also helps prevent forced entry and provides better resistance to harsh weather. In Sumter, where tropical storms can sometimes roll through, this added protection can provide valuable peace of mind. A boost in curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a fresh new look, replacing your entry door makes a striking difference in your home's curb appeal. New doors come in a wide variety of colors, styles, and finishes, ranging from classic wood grain textures to sleek modern designs. Upgrading your entry door can instantly refresh the exterior of your Sumter home, making it more inviting and visually appealing. It's one of the easiest ways to elevate the overall look of your property without undergoing a major renovation. Increased home value. Home improvements that blend style and function often offer a strong return on investment, and a new entry door is no exception. Many real estate experts consider entry door replacements one of the highest value upgrades a homeowner can make before listing a property. Buyers notice new doors immediately. They signal that the home has been well cared for and updated. Even if you're not planning to move soon, having a more attractive, secure, and energy-efficient entry door adds long-term value to your Sumter home. Reduced maintenance. Older wood doors can warp, crack, or fade over time, especially in Sumter's warm, humid climate. Today's entry doors are built with durable materials that resist moisture, pests, and weather-related damage. Fiberglass and steel options, for example, require little more than occasional cleaning to keep them looking fresh. This means less time spent sanding, painting, or patching, and more time enjoying a beautiful, worry-free entrance to your home. Improved comfort and noise reduction. A new entry door also contributes to a quieter, more comfortable home interior. Modern door designs include tighter seals and improved insulation, helping reduce outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or weather. If your current door lets sound or outdoor air sneak in, upgrading can create a noticeably calmer and more enjoyable indoor environment. Upgrading your entry door is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your Sumter home's comfort, security, and appearance. Whether you're focused on energy savings, curb appeal, or long-lasting durability, installing a new entry door brings benefits that you and your family can appreciate every day.